how to find specific group notifications, vibrate settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find specific group notifications, vibrate settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find any group you want, like this one, select it and then click here on group profile, and here you will find custom notifications. Just click on it and you need to turn this one on, and here you will find it vibrate. You can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.